The Advanced Manufacturing Building fabricates metallic and composite test articles for a variety of aerospace applications. Using advanced manufacturing systems, engineers and researchers can readily evaluate and test new and unique designs in-house. Isaac is an advanced fiber placement system that robotically creates complex shapes out of composite material. The robot uses spools of composite tape material to create strong, lightweight structures. Isaac can quickly turn an idea into a prototype to support research on design, analysis, manufacturing, and evaluation of composite structures. This facility also houses EBF3, which builds metallic parts using an electron beam and a layer-by-layer process. This process saves both time and material by leaving little or no waste. These state-of-the-art advanced manufacturing systems in Building 1232A aid in the design process, building structures faster and more efficiently.